Once again, we're in a beautiful Hillsborough County beach park community, and we're doing a simple sump pump connecting to the pool, daylighting to the street. As you see us, we are comfortably working, getting it done the Ace One way. And as you see, the customer is still selecting a different type of turf they want to use. And we're going to tie the drainage system in over here in conjunction with the super gutter sump pump off the property. This whole area used to flood, and so we're doing a dual purpose in conjunction with the turf job. And as you see, we sew back up as we go along. Nice and neat. Okay, as you see, one day in, one day out. One day in, one day out. One day